हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक एंड शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स। मैं जा रहा हूँ एक्चुअली ड्रोन खरीदने के लिए। सो काफ़ी टाइम से मुझे एक ये रिक्वायरमेंट थी कि मुझे ड्रोन खरीदना है। सो HSR लेआउट, सो वहीं पे जा रहा मैं अभी। तो वहाँ पे जाके एक ड्रोन उठा के लेकर आऊँगा। लेट्स सी। मैं काफ़ी टाइम से सोच रहा था कि ड्रोन लेना है मुझे एहसास हुआ कि मैं जो वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था लास्ट टाइम, सो कुछ जगहों पे वो ड्रोन की काफ़ी ज़रूरत थी। सो आई वाज शूटिंग माय वीडियोस मोस्टली विद GoPro Max 360 and mobile. I don't have any other tools. I don't have any secondary camera as well. So I'm planning to buy one, but not right now. So maybe future में. So इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि ड्रोन लेते हैं। सो ड्रोन, क्योंकि क्या होता है when you go to places like mountains or so places like Ooty and in anywhere you go, right? So wherein you have nature surrounding itself, so you need that drone. So that's why I wanted to buy this. So मैंने कौन सा ड्रोन लिया है मैं आपको बताऊंगा थोड़ी देर में. I guess I will do a quick review also in how this is my first drone, so I don't know how to fly also. So I'm going to learn that, and I'm going to post some videos once I learn the drone. अगर आप मेरे वीडियो पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, and it helps me to grow professionally, and I will try to make more contents for you. पहुंच गया मैं ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे. दिस प्लेस इज़ कॉल्ड xboom यूटिलिटीज़. मैं एक्चुअली उसको अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक में डाल दूँगा. सो इट विल बी ईजी फॉर यू इफ समबडी वांट्स टू बाय अ ड्रोन. आई थिंक दिस इज़ द राइट प्लेस, आई गेस. लेट मी गो एंड सी एंड एक्सप्लोर मोर. यही बिल्डिंग है जहाँ पे xboom यूटिलिटीज़ है. यहीं पे 4th फ्लोर पे इनका ऑफिस है. कर लिया मैंने ये पिक यहाँ से. सो बेसिकली HSR लेआउट में ये काफ़ी अच्छी शॉप है यहाँ पे. सो इस 4th फ्लोर पे है xboom यूटिलिटीज़. तो वहाँ पे जाके आप पिकअप कर सकते हो. I'll tell you the प्रोसेस कि इसका प्रोसेस क्या है. सो पहले इसको ऑर्डर करना पड़ता है. अगर इफ़ यू आर बाइंग दिस पर्टिकुलर पीस, drones, basically if you are planning to buy, then you need to order it first, and then you can come here, or they will deliver to your place also. तो आपके घर पे ही भी ये लोग डिलीवर कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स सी. आई मीन Dji Air 2 ये थोड़ा एडवांस्ड है बेसिकली. सो यू गेट Dji Air Mini 2 also, and there are some more, but I thought, okay, since this is my first drone, so I thought इसी को लेते हैं. आई मीन इसमें काफ़ी सेंसर्स वगैरह लगे हुए, सो इट विल बी ईजी फॉर मी टू हैंडल. ठीक है, चलो घर चलते हैं, एंड देन विल डू अनबॉक्सिंग, एंड देन I will try to fly also later on. देखते हैं क्या क्या है इसके अंदर, है ना आरव? चलिए आइए देखते क्या क्या मिला है यहाँ पे। DJI Air 2S, जो फर्स्ट मेन चीज़ है ये वाला यही है एयरक्राफ्ट। 20 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा है आई थिंक। सो उसके बाद ये वाला है जॉयस्टिक। यहाँ पे इन्होंने 2 जॉयस्टिक भी दिए हुए। ये बेसिकली ये रिमोट कंट्रोलर है। एंड उसके बाद हमें मिला है ये पावर अडेप्टर एंड देन चार्ज करने के लिए ये पावर बैंक। And this is basically charging hub. We can charge 3 batteries simultaneously, and we have batteries also, spare batteries 1, 2 and 3 attached already. And also propellers, extra propellers दिए हैं यहाँ पे। And then USB cables, basically these are AC power cables। USB cable here it is, and then extra joystick तो यहाँ पे लगेगा। एक्चुअली ये स्पेयर है। एंड देन दिस इज़ एक्चुअली पावर केबल जो यहाँ पे कनेक्ट होगा, इसको कनेक्ट होगा। ND filter says, I don't know what is this, I will have to explore। तो ये चीज़ है। एंड दिस इज़ द ब्यूटिफुल बैग they've given, awesome bag। You can fit a drone here in this bag। Okay, it's all about it। Okay, how and where to buy this drone? Okay, what you need to do is you need to go here, xboom.in, and then you'll have to click here. So you get a lot of accessories, cameras, action cameras, and the other essentials are already available on this website. And I think they gave you a good price actually. So you go here, drone cameras. Okay, under drone I think you can rent a drone also. If you click here, so you can buy, not buy actually, you can rent a drone, for starting for 4K for a day, I think 15,000 or something for 7 days, like that. So here we are not buying, we are not renting a drone, so we are purchasing a drone here. So just go here, drone cameras, and explore. Click anywhere on this banner, and so you will find a lot of drones actually. So DJI is one of the the best company that they make drones. Initially I was planning to buy this drone, DJI Mavic Mini 2. It was costing me around 62K basically. So now 64, I mean here on this website they have mentioned 64,699, but if you do a negotiation with them, with their customer care, the xboom.in customer care, so they will give you best price. Okay, initially I was planning to buy this, then and then I did little research, and I thought, this is DJI Air 2S, is one of the fastest selling drone camera in the market at this moment. So I thought, why not buy this? And I'm the beginner, so I'm buying this first time. So, and for beginners, I think this is one of the best drone camera available in the market, because this has sensors. So ये I mean ये crash नहीं होगा आसानी से, but this one I think does not have any sensor, so it is just the camera. But trust me, this is the best camera available in the market, if you are buying first time. So let's go here, and okay, on this website, so they are selling it as 1,46,999 rupees now, and if you are buying directly from this website, so you can convert, and if you have a Jest account, you can create Jest accounts as well. So you can buy this camera with 3 simple interest-free options. Okay, 49,000 rupees per month for 3 months. Okay, and if you have cash, or if you have money in your account, so then you can pay that amount using your debit card or UPI as well. You can use the credit card also. If you have a credit card, you can make the payment by using credit card as well. So when I was planning to buy this, so I did call up their customer care center. They said, we'll give you a best option. So I got this camera for 1,42,000 rupees. So they will give you a, when you negotiate with them, so they'll give you a link. So you'll have to pay using that link. So trust me, it's very trustworthy. And So once you make the payments, you will have to provide a screenshot to them, and then within 2 or 3 days, you'll get the camera delivered to your doorstep. Or you can go to your HSR Layout and you can buy uh, the drone from there itself. Okay, so this is Dji Air 2S. Is it has a lot of you can explore the features also. There are a lot of things are available already on their websites. So this camera has 20 megapixel camera and a lot of sensors actually to avoid crash. Okay, and it'll give you awesome video footage to your videos. Okay, and okay, so there are if you go to Amazon and other websites, right, this camera is little pricey, but if you go here in this website, it is really you'll get it in a very cheaper price. Okay, so you just explore, go here and explore all the cameras available on their website, and that's it. So this video is getting a little longer, so that's why I thought, let's make part one and part two. So I'm going to capture some of the footage on our using this camera. So please stay tuned, and please watch my channel, for part two as well. So you're going to see footage and my first flying experience with this camera. Thank you.